The source data chart provides a detailed, tabular view of the raw data that underpins your flow metrics and charts. It is essential for validating your data, troubleshooting anomalies, and gaining granular insights into your workflow. As shown, this chart displays a table with each row representing a work item included in your dataset. The default columns include ID, so the ticket identifier, for example CS123, title, which is the name or brief description of the issue, workflow stages, the columns which were defined by the user in the mapping stage during dataset creation. These show the date of when the issue entered each workflow stage. Additional fields are any attributes such as team, labels, item type, story points, etc. These will include default fields that are automatically loaded, as well as any additional fields you chose during dataset creation. Blocked and blocked days. These columns confirm whether or not your item was blocked at some point in its journey through your workflow, as well as the cumulative time it spent blocked. To customize the chart, use the controls on the right side to narrow down the data. Filter by date range to only view items from a specific period of time, but please note, this only affects finished items. Use the item filter to pick which attributes you wish to see. These attributes reflect which fields you brought in during the data loading process. Select and deselect workflow stages to adjust what the tool considers your workflow's start and finish, as well as what is considered in progress. You can also sort the table columns in ascending or descending order by clicking on column headers. You can view your source data in different ways using the Data View control. The basic view contains information needed for a wide variety of charts and for tooltips for individual data points and work items. The cycle time, throughput, and work in progress views contain data related to their corresponding chart in an easy-to-analyze tabular view. This allows users to examine the data to check its validity or simply view it as it is. The raw, source format view is your data with no filters applied. Download your data in different views via the Export CSV button so that you can share with stakeholders or for advanced reporting outside of your chosen digital workspace. As previously mentioned, the source data chart is great for troubleshooting anomalies and gaining granular insights into your data. You can validate metrics by cross-checking the raw data with your flow metrics to ensure accuracy. Identify outliers by catching unusually long or short cycle times and investigating their history. Audit workflows and review the status history to understand bottlenecks or process deviations. We hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of the source data chart. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by emailing us at support@55degrees.se.